I know, but
Oh, Patrick, just think if we were all the way down there.
just think of how much water's in Viola right now.
Ooh. That's it. I'm going back to my camera.
It's kind of cold in the water, dude. Hey, 1 second. Ooh. It can't be good.
What is it called? How far are we going?
Not very much farther. I can't.
That's too late for me, please.
This is
This thing
highway
is-
leading into Viola.
Look at the green.
I know, into Viola.
Holy
Not even in.
Oh, look at Lover's Lane.
Oh, check out Kickapoo, man. It's totally flooded.
Look at Lover's Lane.